How to change the currency on your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to change the currency on your Wix website. First, go ahead and open your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, click on Settings in the left-hand menu. This is where Wix keeps all the main settings for your site. Next, click on Language and Region. Here, you can manage your site's language, time zone, and currency. Scroll down until you see the currency option. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select the currency you want your store or products to display in. Once you've made your choice, Wix will automatically update your site so all prices show in that currency. It's simple, fast, and really helps your customers know exactly what they're paying. And that's it! Your Wix website is now using your preferred currency. If you found this helpful, please hit subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.